I officially love drones. Today I made a purchase that's going to take my videography to the next level. I've been wanting to buy a drone for a very long time, but they're very expensive, and I also don't like the fact that I could lose it in the ocean. But I honestly needed to buy one because I kept renting them, but I was just wasting money renting instead of buying it. So today I purchased the MAVIC 2 Pro. Guys, this is the best drone out there. Like literally, I hear nothing but good things, and I'm really excited to see where this is going to take my videos, whether it's like YouTube or like my cinematography, excuse me, or my wedding videography. I am so stoked. Like, I just want to hug it. Alright, so I'm trying to fly my DJI MAVIC Pro 2 for the first time ever. Oh dear God. Waiting for it to do a little update right now before I start to fly. I'm kind of excited. I've never flown a DJI MAVIC Pro 2. I've flown a MAVIC and I've flown like the little mini one, but I haven't flown the big one, which is what I got, so. Hey guys, good morning. I am on my way to brunch with my dad and my stepmother, which is really weird to say, but she's beautiful. I'm so happy for my dad. I'm so happy for my mom. My mom has found somebody as well. You know, it was really a rough couple years with the divorce going on for us kids, but you know, we're all very, very happy. You know, that my parents are now happy and they've found their people. So yeah, I'm on my way to lunch in Del Mar. I actually lived here for 6 years growing up. I was born in Phoenix, Arizona. I went to Arizona State actually, and now it's so nice because, you know, I live on Camp Pendleton. I'm stationed there, and so is my husband, and a lot of the time my family will come out and visit out here because they do have a lot of friends and family out here, and it's just beautiful.
Turn left onto Camino Del Mar.
And so yeah, I am on my way to go get some food with them. I'm going to one of my favorite restaurants. It's called Poseidon. It's like right on the water in Del Mar.
Turn right into the parking lot.
Okay, but anyway, I'm gonna try to get some pictures of them because I did their engagement photos, but like they didn't want the ring in the photo yet, and so like we like forgot to put it on for at least just like one picture. So I'm gonna try to like get another one today, but man, I'm like really booked out for the next month. I have a lot of homecomings. I have a wedding in Nashville that I'm flying out to in October, like the beginning of October. And there's just a lot going on, sis. Eating some lunch with my lovely stepmother. And my dad. Hi to the YouTube channel. Hey guys, I'm here with Annika. She's out here freaking playing some volleyball. Look at this dope ass foot. Seriously.
Sand foot.
Go check out our channel, y'all. I swear to God. So that was really fun. I just tried playing volleyball for the first time in 2 years. Just served some balls and like passed just a little bit without bending my back too much. Like I've just been really trying to push the limit recently with everything that I've been doing physically and like figuring out like what my limits are pain-wise and like what activities I can and cannot do. So that was really fun.